Okay, hello, sound check. So, ito yung practice problems natin kanina, no? So, sagutan natin yung number 1, okay? So, -12 plus 7, since magkaiba yung sign, no? Negative tsaka positive, 12 minus 7, no? 12 magiging 12 minus 7, ang answer is 5. Then copy kung ano yung sign ng pinakamalaki. So, negative, no? Mas malaki kasi yung 12. So, -5. Okay. Number 2, 15 minus -6. So, since parehas minus to, gawin mong plus. Okay. 15 plus 6. The answer is 21. Okay. So, number 3, -8. -8, no? Multiplied by -4. Multiplied by -4. So, -8 and -4, kapag multiplication tapos same sign, positive siya, di ba? Negative times negative is positive. So, 8 times 4, 32. Okay? 32. Number 4, 36. No? Divide by 6. Oh, -6 pala. Oh, -6. Ulit, ulit, ulit. -6 pala. Sorry. No? 36 divided by -6. Okay? So since may magkaiba na naman, no? Magkaiba na naman ng sign. Positive si 36 and then negative si 6. So divide mo lang. 36 divided by 6 is 6. So since different yung signs nila, the answer would be -6. Okay? So number 5, mag-a-add tayo ng polynomial. So combine natin yung mga like terms. Okay? So since positive to, wag na natin pansinin si parenthesis. Same lang. Okay? So parehas may x squared. So 3x squared plus x squared. No, a-add natin yung coefficients nila. So 3 plus 1, that is 4. Okay? Then copy natin yung variable x, din yung exponent na 2. So 4x squared siya. Okay? Then meron tayong positive 2x tapos negative 5x. So since magkaiba sila, 5 minus 2. The answer is 3. Tapos copy natin yung x. Tapos ano yung sign na mag-govern is yung mas malaking value. Ano mas malaking value? Yung 2 o yung 5? Yung 5. Ano sign ni 5? Negative. So ibig sabihin minus yung gagamitin natin. 4x squared minus 3x. Number 6. Magmumultiply tayo ng 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. Tapos x plus 4. FOIL method. Ito muna. 2x times x, that would be 2x squared. Okay? 2x squared. Then 2x times positive 4 is 2 times 4, 8. Copy natin yung variable x. Ito naman yung inner. Positive 3 times x, that is plus 3x. Kasi positive naman parehas eh. Then positive 3 times positive 4, that is plus 12. Ang sum is 2x squared plus 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, that would be 11x. Then bring down 12. This is our answer. So para naman dito sa 10x cubed plus 5x squared divided by 5x, ang gawin natin is i-divide natin parehas ng 5x. Okay? Divide natin ng parehas ng 5x. So, ito yon. Okay? Nilagay lang natin dyan. Then, ito yung plus. Okay? So, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Tama? Then, x cubed divide by x. May coefficient na 1 tong nasa denominator. Then, ito, ima-minus natin siya rito sa numerator, yung 3. Okay? So, 3 minus 1 is 2. Therefore, x raised to 2. Copy natin yung sign ng plus. 5x squared divided by 5x. So, 5 divided by 5, that is 1. Okay? Then, x squared divide by x. Okay? So, may 1 to. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. Ilalagay pa ba natin yung 1 dito? Hindi na. So, 1x raised to 1 yon. So, in short, hindi na natin ilalagay yung raised to 1. Hindi na rin natin ilalagay yung leading coefficient na 1 kasi considered naman na 1 yan. Okay? So, ang answer dito sa number 7 is 2x squared plus x. Okay? So, yan. So, ito yung mga answer. Ayan. Okay, number 1. Number 1 natin is negative 5. Tama. Number 2 is positive 21. Tama. Number 3 natin is 32. Tama. Number 4, negative 6. Tama. Number 5 is 4x squared minus 3x. 4x squared minus 3x. Number 6 is 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. So 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. Then number 7 natin is 2x squared plus x. 2x squared plus x. So I hope no na nagets yung pinaka-module natin today, no. So 7/7 dapat since very basic yung topic natin today, no. So ito, key takeaways. No, follow natin yung sign rules carefully, no. Pag nag-a-add, no, pag same yung value, no, pag same yung value, add. Ay kapag same yung sign, no, pag same yung sign, parehas positive, parehas negative, add mo lang, no? Then copy the sign. Kapag mag-a-add or magma-minus naman, no, pag mag-a-add or magma-minus naman na may negative sign, no, i-minus mo yung mas maliit na number doon sa mas malaki. Then kung ano yung sign ng mas malaking number, yun yung gagamitin. Sa polynomials naman, no? Polynomials, identify yung mga like terms, no? Bago magsama-sama, no? Bago natin pagsama-samahin. Pagsama-samahin yung mga may x cube, pagsama-samahin yung may x squared, pagsama-samahin yung mga may x, at pagsama-samahin yung mga numbers lang. Bago natin siya pagsama-samahin, no? Write every step, no? Isulat yung bawat step kapag nagso-solution para hindi ka maliligaw, okay? And this makes mistakes easier to find para kapag nalito ka, saan ba ako nagkamali? Oh. Dito pala sa ano na to, sa row na to. Dito pala. Imbis na plus, minus nalagay ko. So, madali mo siyang mababalikan. Okay? Then, syempre, pinaka-last, practice is the fastest way to become comfortable with the rules. No? Mas madali mong makakabisado yung mga rules kung lagi kang nagpa-practice problems. Kaya yung mga practice problems natin na ganito, makakatulong sa'yo 'to, 'no? Kahit anong number, mag-plus ka, mag-minus ka, mag-divide ka, mag-multiply ka, para malaman mo kung sanay ka na, okey? So, yun lang. Thank you and have a great day.